Good morning. 26HOUSE is a silver Slovak partner and Czech Republic partner that is one of the oldest, the most experienced in the market. So in Odoo Experience 2025, I want to take the opportunity to kidnap Rastislav Brenčič, its CEO and founder, to get some insights of his experience and his view of the future of the ERP market within this region. Hello, Rastislav.
Hello, Mario. Thank you for inviting me here.
Thank you for coming.
It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure.
You've been working with Odoo for a long time already. How has it been this journey?
Quite interesting. That was behind the starting with Odoo is a short story. When I was sharing almost 10 years ago, our choosing the Odoo as a standard regular customer, that time to my one friend of mine, that time CEO of O2 Telefonica in Slovakia. And I was a bit humble when I shared that it's Odoo, comparing with a big company in telecommunication. But for my big surprise, the CEO of O2 in Slovakia said, yeah, I know Odoo. We are using the Odoo in our daughter company, Odoo Business Services, which was 10 years ago. And I was really shocked. Wow, how comes such a big company using the Odoo? And next day I went to the management and asked the stakeholders in the senior management, is it really true? You know, sometimes CEOs doesn't know everything, and that was true. So for me, it was a clear sign that Odoo is a good solution for the big customers or mid-sized customers, and that was main motivation why we, after the year starting, as a regular customer to become as a partner.
Great, and you mentioned a specific type of customer. Where have you specialized? What kind of customers? What kind of industries, or which industries have you specialized, or where you gather more experience?
Actually, as Odoo is a quite generic system, we started from many industries, or we went through the many industries, but we are the most successful in the actually in the manufacturing and inventory. We like that vertical very much. It's quite demanded. It's complex, and with our experience, guys, we can add a significant value. So, and customer, that's very valuable for us industry. But we are good in, or we have the experience with in service, and with one financial institution bank, when we delivered the accounting in Czech Republic. So there are more industries now under the implementation, but we are focusing mainly on the inventory and the manufacturing.
Great. And regarding the size of the customer, are you focused on customers of all sides, SMBs, MMC, bigger customers? How?
Generally, we focus on the mid-size and bigger customers. We really want to be a reliable partner or a reliable competitor to SAP tenders and Microsoft Dynamics. So that's actually a long journey. We know about that. We've been almost 10 big RFQs already involved. So that's our primary focus. We would like to attract the complex projects and with more than 50, maybe 100 users, because we see that our value for these mid-size and big customers is better than, or it's more than for small customers.
Yeah, and you've also developed a series of solutions based on Odoo for your different customers across all this experience. Can you tell me a bit more about that?
Actually, generally, we love the Odoo as a platform. It is, as was mentioned today during the keynote, the flexibility and open source code. It's giving huge opportunities for many, many industries. And we love the products, building up on the Odoo, and our recent project is, we call it actually card for citizen, for one mid-sized city in Slovakia. And that was a solution quite complex and including several integrations. And based on that successful project, which is already up and running, we built up the product for the cities. And now we are approaching more than 600 cities in Czech Republic, 150 in Slovakia. So we suppose that such a project became a product based on the Odoo could be very, very valuable for the citizens in cities of Slovakia and Czech Republic. We are working on very intensively on the products of accounting, localization for Slovakia and Czech Republic. So generally, I do believe Odoo has just a great future because of the possibilities to build up the products on.
Great. And have you been, we are, for the record, in the second day of Odoo experience. Have you seen a little bit about the new features of Odoo 19?
Amazing. We are very excited. And we do believe that this is the game changer. Odoo 19 definitely. We are preparing many marketing and sales actions because of the particularly of the AI functionalities. So this is something which is absolutely unique in the ERP industry. In such a extreme short time to adapt new innovations to the product, like ERP, like Odoo, that's a huge competition advantage. So definitely, AI assistants, AI fields, that's amazing.
This is a common trend within the ERP industry, or this is something that, although AI has been in the, let's say, like a buzzword in the business sphere, has it been seen at the ERP environment already, or not yet? How do you see the trend coming?
Everybody are speaking about the AI. At least in my bubble, I have at least five friends which are already selling the AI assistants. Actually, who is not selling that is not like
it's not selling.
Not selling anything. So it's funny. In Odoo is completely different. You know, the AI assistant or the AI tool in ERP and in Odoo especially, it's a completely different approach. It is part of the native application in each of the part of the system, and looking to the production data, looking to the accounting, to all incoming, outgoing invoices, to all communication, all project tasks, etc., etc. So if you prompt properly, then I do believe the results and suggestions and help of the AI outcome will be much more better and relevant than to have just the AI looking to the internet.
Yes, we were speaking with some product owners yesterday after the keynote from Fabian, and they were mentioning that the amount of use cases that this feature has, it's still uncountable for us at this point, because every time you think about a new customer, you can think about a new use case.
It's endless. You cannot imagine. Still, we don't know what would happen, but the number of use cases, there are millions of them which we don't know yet.
Yeah, and well, 26HOUSE have been very active in the Slovak, in the Czech market. What are the plans, the news for the coming month, for the near future?
Definitely to support selling of Odoo 19. Definitely, we are very much focused on the production and inventory sector. We are going to big fair in a city called Brno, which is the biggest industry fair in Central Eastern Europe to be with the stand there and having all Salesforce on the ground. We are going to another event end of this year, support this vertical, and of course we are already working on the localization already a couple of months. Localization for Odoo 19 to be very, very fast, very quick, ready for the implementation of accounting in Czech Republic and Slovakia as well, in order to fill the gap which is missing in the localization.
Great, great. We're looking forward. And regarding the event, Odoo Experience 2025, what are your expectations? Is there any specific talk that you would like to go deeper?
Definitely, I like the talk about the Victoria's Secret implementation.
Yes.
That was we've been with small part of
the project, yes.
Included, but it was very excited project. And of course, accounting was amazing, which was just a couple of minutes ago, because I still do believe that accounting is so important. It's actually, you know, it's a middle of interest, and when you combine the accounting knowledge with the business knowledge, that's exactly approach of the Odoo, which I love. Then it is unbeatable product, and so that's why I loved all the talks, and actually the Vinant keynote regarding the accounting. And I really need to thank to Odoo how Odoo is focusing on especially on accounting. Of course, I would encourage to be more in speaking about the Slovakia localization, but in Czech you did a good job. Thank you for that. So mainly these two.
Great. Well, thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much for your insights, and see you around in the fair at the Odoo Experience. And of course, enjoy the party in the venue.
Looking forward. Thank you.
Great. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.